Hello, namaste, welcome back here, welcome to Greetaro. So I'm back here again. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so very much. So in the description I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also, the information will be in the description box, okay, about the decks. So today's pick a card reading is all about what spirit wants you to know, like what is the guidance, advice from spirit. That is going to be the reading for today. Okay, we have 3 photos here. So the first one is this snowy owl. Okay, the first group is like the snowy owl. Okay, the second group is great horned owl, and the third is this barn owl. Okay, so select from these 3, 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, relax, completely let go, trust your intuition and select one photo here. Okay, I hope you get your advice, your guidance. Okay, and remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, relax and take your time. If you want, pause the video. So the timestamps will be in the description box, just skip and watch. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. So group 1, if you chose this snowy owl, then this is your reading. Okay, we have this beautiful like fat chubby, right? Okay, yeah, so I feel like if you chose this, you're transforming. That is what a lot of inner transformation is happening for you guys. You're completely changing. For some of you it's like outer transformation also, and definitely inner transformation. And remember, you know, in the future many people will not walk with you because your vibration, your frequency is shifting, and I feel this pile is like going into a higher vibration, right? And sometimes the people, you know, the people you know might not come with you in this, because you are someone else now, you are different. And spirit is saying that don't try to fit in anymore. You have done it a lot, but it's not time to fit in anymore, because you are lovable, you're unique, and embrace yourself. Sometimes, you know, if you're an introvert, sometimes we are told by the people, you know, around us, that why are you like this, why don't you talk? Because, you know, I'm an introvert, and I completely understand how uncomfortable it becomes when we have to connect with a lot of people. You know, it gets uncomfortable. You know, I'm like, we become shy. It's not shy, because I feel like sometimes it's very difficult to connect with people, because we are like taking other people's energy or something like that. Maybe if you're empaths also, I feel like that, you know. So you have tried to fit in a lot, you have tried to change yourself, you know, you have tried that, you have done it a lot. Especially if you're teenagers, you are told that you're not good enough. Why are you like this, you know? So spirit is saying it's okay, you're good the way you are. You know, people, our society doesn't teach us about self-love, right? They tell us to help other people, take care of other people, but they don't tell us that you have to take care of yourself too. No, they don't tell us, right? So it's like that only, right? But now I think you're transforming. You know that self-care is important, so take care of yourself first. Okay, when you take care of yourself, then only you will be able to take care of others, right? So I feel this pile is like very, very sweet and soft people, but you know, but people will be like, oh, she's so like, yeah, because she doesn't talk or he doesn't talk too much, they will be like assuming things about us, because they don't know. And the people who know us, like, they will be like, oh wow, she's so good, you know. So yeah, there is so much of misunderstanding, because yeah, and we can't change other people's thoughts, right? Isn't it? So just embrace yourself. Spirit is saying embrace yourself. You're good the way you are. You have, you know, you don't have to go to the past, right? Let go of the past, because you're not the person anymore. You're not trying to fit in anymore, so don't try to fit in. No need. You are loved, you are cherished by the higher power. Okay, so they are saying that you are loved, you are cherished. Think big for yourself. And sometimes, you know, our parents, society says us that we have to work hard in order to get money, lots of abundance, right? No, I feel this pile is like attracting, you're becoming like a magnet, your frequency is getting higher and higher. So believe in it, okay, and believe in your dreams, believe in your goals. I feel that you can attract a lot of things into your life, but by not trying too hard, okay. So yeah, if you're doing law of attraction, that will work for you. So maybe in the, in the past, people would people has told us that, society has told us that we have to work like 8 hours to get money. No, we can just work 2 hours and get double the money, what I'm saying. So yeah, so that is what you're changing your perception, and spirit is saying that yes, you don't have to work too hard to get something, right? You can work easily and manifest things you want. You're going to attract a lot. This is what I'm feeling. You're going to attract a lot. You're not going to back to the past self. You're a new person now. Embrace that, okay, and move forward. You don't have to think about your past or your future, okay. Be in the present moment. I'm getting here, spirit is saying embrace, enjoy every little thing, and be grateful for everything you have right now, because I see for this pile, abundance is coming for you guys, okay. So yeah, so that is what, and I'm feeling very happy. Okay, so I have to say this, I recorded this and I was just laughing. And then I just I don't know why I'm laughing. I was laughing so much, so I stopped and I'm recording it again, because I was just laughing. And so I feel like that you're gonna laugh a lot. Spirit is saying enjoy your moment. You're gonna laugh a lot, okay. I'm so excited for you guys. I don't know, my energy is like, I'm just so happy, guys. You're going to be so happy. I feel like that. Let's see what spirit has for you. And I'm so sorry. I feel like that you're going to be very happy, because I'm feeling so happy, guys. So happy. I don't know why. Okay, yeah. Pure action. Yes, it's time to do the action. It's time to follow your dreams. It's time to that is what I'm saying. It's like, don't think about the outcome. Don't attach yourself to the outcome, to the money or anything. Just do what you want to do. Just take action and go for it, okay, because you will attract a lot of things. So pure action. Refrain from that which is unskillful or that which harms. Do good and purify your heart. That is it. Yeah, I feel like that you're doing that, right? With this 8 number, we have infinity, abundance. It talk about stability, money, right? So I feel like that you don't have to attach yourself to the outcome. Just do it and you will receive it. So be pure, yeah, that is what it's coming. Be pure about it. Pure action here. So consciously bring your inner awareness to your actions as you make a commitment not to harm or destroy any life, not to take away things that belong to you, and not to use sex in a harmful way or to yourself or others. Your actions will become free from old habits, past experiences, and any negative emotion. So I feel like that, you are getting into this positive state of mind. I feel like that your consciousness is expanding, and for some of you, you have this spiritual gift also. I feel like that many are embracing that. You are in the spiritual journey. I feel like that there is no going back, guys. So don't think about your past. Release your past completely and move forward, because now is the time. I feel the present is the time here, okay. And take action. Do what you feel good, don't do something to prove to anyone else. Yeah, I'm doing this, so don't do that, okay. You don't have to prove anything to anyone, okay. Remember that. Just enjoy your journey and do the things you love, you're passionate about, and go for it, because I feel some of you are doing the thing you're passionate about. And yes, think big for you guys. Think big. I'm getting that energy. Think big and you will achieve whatever you want in your life. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, yes, look at that. Yes, if you had a question in your mind, yes, spirit is saying yes. Yes, you're connected to the divine. Look for a sign, right? You're seeing signs, a lot of signs, maybe a lot of numbers, repeating pattern numbers, a lot of butterflies or something like that. Yes, your manifestations are coming true. Yes. Okay, yes, it's a yes. Angels are near you. They're guiding you. Look for that sign. Acknowledge it. And whenever you see repeating pattern numbers, what thoughts you have, acknowledge that, and you will get your answers also. I feel you're getting a lot of clarity. Spirit is saying you're going to get a lot of clarity, a lot of abundance, a lot of money, a lot of happiness. You're going to laugh a lot. 2021 is going to be amazing. This is what I'm feeling for you guys. I feel so happy, really. My energy is so happy. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. You know, you are connected to the divine. That is also I'm getting here. You're connected to the divine. You're connected to the angels. So, and I feel your life is going to be very balanced. You know, I feel like this, no, this fire, this air element, you know, all the, you know, air, earth, air, you know, that all elements, you are like balanced. You're going to be very, very balanced. I feel like that in your life. So yeah, so think big, because you're gonna manifest. And remember to have positive thoughts. That is also important. And be in the now, be in the present moment, because yes, you can, you're like a magnet, you're raising your vibration. Yeah, that's important here. So yeah, definitely you're connected to the angels also. Wow, spirit is saying that you're connected to spirit, and yes, you're getting a lot of information downloads. So trust it, trust spirit, trust universe, work with universe, because you can manifest a lot, and believe in it. Believing is the thing, you know, key. And take one step at a time. Okay, sometimes, you know, it's important to take one step. Don't be in a hurry, and don't get attached to the outcome. That is only the thing. Don't get attached to the outcome. I'm hearing that also. I feel like that. Don't get attached to the outcome. Just do your work. That's it. Because you will manifest a lot of good things in your life, a lot of abundance. And yes, it's a yes. Okay, whatever if it's a relationship, it's a money, whatever it is, yes, it's a yes. Okay guys, okay, so let's see what else spirit wants you to know. What is the advice, guidance from my pile number 1? Lovers. Okay, so soulmate energy. Okay, so yeah, the love is coming, guys. So if you are thinking that this person is your soulmate, I feel like yes, this person is your soulmate. I feel you will be connecting with them. Okay, so if you want to make a choice right now, go. You know, if your heart is telling you, yes, I want to make this choice, you know, I want to follow my dreams, just go and follow your dreams, because that will give you a lot of abundance. That is also I'm getting here with this Gemini energy. I feel someone will communicate to you, or some communication is coming your way, and that will make you a lot of give you a lot of happiness. And with the 6 number, it's like a lot of relationship harmony. If you're already in a relationship, I see that relationship is growing. Okay, so spirit is saying don't worry about your relationship, because it's going to grow. A lot of love is coming your way. Maybe you're connecting to a friend, a soulmate friend, you know. Maybe for some of you, you might be collaborating with this friend, doing some business also. I'm getting that vibe also, you know. Maybe a friend is coming through who will, you know, soul level connection. I feel like that is also coming here for you guys. So yeah, think big for you and make good choices. Just spirit is saying just listen to your heart and follow it, because that is your heart knows the best. And you are divinely guided. Okay, so don't fear the unknown. I'm getting here, don't fear the unknown, because as you walk that path, you know, you will get your answers. You don't have to know everything right now, but as you walk that path, you will get your answers. So clarity is coming, everything will be okay. You don't have to worry about anything. Just laugh your life, live your life. Okay, that is what I'm feeling. Spirit wants you to know that you have transformed a lot. You're not going to go back to that past self. You're a new you have a new life now. Okay, you have learned your lessons. I'm getting that also. So take take your call. I'm getting here, answer that call. If you have something in your heart, just go for it. Don't overthink about it, because spirit is telling you to be confident right now and take action. Okay, and spirit is giving you a lot of signs also. So you might be seeing that numbers, butterflies, maybe you're seeing all, right? So let's see. Okay, we got 2 cards. And what is the back of the deck? Let's see. Okay, participation. Yeah, 4 of Wands energy will take that also. Wow, definitely. I feel for many of you, chakras are getting balanced. If you're meditating, definitely I feel like your chakras are going to get balanced. And yes, yeah, changes, definitely a lot of changes. You're changing, you're transforming, inner transformation, and many people will not walk with you. This is a new you, so you will let go of a lot of things that is not good for you. So yeah, that is going to happen with this, a lot of changes, but I see this is going to be a very positive change, and this is going to help you grow. Okay, and look, slowing down here with this Knight of Pentacles energy, I feel like that you don't have to hurry about anything. Everything is happy. I feel like everything is happening at the correct timing for you guys. You don't have to rush, you don't have to hurry about anything. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So with this tortoise, you are going to win the race. You're going to get to your destination. See, yes, you will achieve the things you want in your life. You don't have to hurry about anything. Just go, take step. You know, as I said, don't fear the unknown, because you will get clarity as you walk the path. Okay, so yes, this is a journey, so enjoy that journey. You don't have, it's not about the destination, it's not about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. So spirit is saying enjoy that journey, go slow, steady, enjoy everything, smell the roses, look at the butterflies, enjoy life, hear the dance, hear the songs you love, meditate, ground your energy, do something fun, play games, connect with your friends who care for you, connect with the people who loves you, watch a TV show that you like, enjoy life and do your work, follow your passion. Okay, that is what the spirit is saying, because everything is coming together, balance is coming in your life. Because I feel this chakra, if you have been meditating, or I will recommend this chakra meditation. This is going to help you a lot. I feel you are going to balance your chakra, or spirit wants you to know that it's time to balance your chakra. Do the chakra meditations, because when you balance that, things are going to be very easy. I feel you are spirited to, you are connected to the divine, so you're getting a lot of downloads also through your dreams. So take note of just write, keep a journal and write what you're dreaming, because you will get a lot of information from your dreams also. I'm getting that also. Things are coming together. Your house, you're building a stable foundation for you guys. A house celebration is coming for some of you. Might marry your soulmate. That is also going to happen. So yeah, a lot of changes are coming, lot of changes for this group. Okay, things are completely transforming. You're going to live a very beautiful life. I see a very beautiful life ahead. Okay, that is what I'm feeling. Spirit wants you to know that you're shedding that past, like a snake. I'm getting that, like a snake sheds the skin and becomes a new one. Like that, you are growing, you're regenerating, you have gone through a spiritual awakening, and you have dealt with a lot of emotions also. I'm getting so yeah, you need to forgive the people, you need to forgive and move forward with your life. Okay, because I see a beautiful life for you guys ahead, where you'll be laughing, enjoying. For some of you, definitely I see travel also. Okay, you might be traveling, enjoying life altogether. Spirit wants you to know, don't wait for a certain day to enjoy life. Every day you can enjoy, right? So that is also coming through. So let's see what the spirit animal deck, let's see which animal pops for you guys. Okay, so we got that. Sorry. Happiness, sea otter. Yes, playful living, that enjoy. I was talking about that. So happiness is coming your way, a lot of happiness. So enjoy life, see the beauty of the nature, enjoy the beauty, travel. If you can travel, just travel, or if you can go to a beach, go to the beach, enjoy, be happy in the present moment, enjoy your life. Okay, when you enjoy your life, you're going to attract things so easily, very easily. I feel like that. I feel you're like a magnet right now. So keep your thoughts very, very positive. Spirit is saying that, because you're attracting what you're thinking. Okay, so put that desire, if you have a desire, put the desire to the universe, because you will manifest it. Go slow, don't be in a hush energy, don't be attached to the outcome. Spirit is saying, don't be attached to the result, don't be attached to anything. Just let go of everything and just have the desire and believe in it. That is what spirit wants you to know, and you're going to be happy. Be happy also. So be the master of playful living, release expectations and enjoy every day. Let worry go instead, choose love, surrender to the waves. Your good destiny your good destiny of love is sure. Yeah, you're meant to have a happy home life, you're meant to have a good business also. I'm feeling if you're planning to do business, go ahead, because it will also give you so much of abundance, so much of happiness. I feel like that you'll be happy with whatever you're doing. So enjoy life. That is the thing. Spirit wants you to know, enjoy life, enjoy your present moment. Let go of the past and move towards a better future, because your future is so good. You know, you're gonna laugh a lot, you're gonna enjoy it. So enjoy now. Don't overthink. Let that go. Let that overthinking go. That is what spirit wants you to know. And yes, you're destined to have happiness in your life. You're destined to have love in your life. You're destined to have good money in your life. You're destined to have so many good things in your life. So don't stop yourself, okay? Don't overthink. And when you overthink, when you have this negative feeling, then things take more time. Remember that, okay? Okay, so let's see what fairies have to add to this. Okay, let's see. Okay. Sleep. Yeah, underneath the nighttime skies, fairies sing you lullabies. So I feel like that, you know, it's time to sleep, it's time to enjoy, it's time to relax, it's time to have fun. You know, take rest also. Maybe for some of you working towards your passion and you're not sleeping, as I said, it's okay to work 2 hours a day, because you will be attracting so many things in your life. Things are going to come easy, so you don't have to work so much. Don't sleep, take rest, relax, and then work. And you know, when for example, if you lose something, you know, if you're searching for something and you constantly search, you will not get it. So when you relax and take a break, and when you search the next day, it will come, you know, you will find that thing very easily. Okay, so don't stress about things. That is what, stress will not give you anything. Just relax, sleep, and then take a break, and then continue with your work. If you're for example, if you're writing something, don't force it, okay? Relax, and then when it comes, write it down. That is what I'm getting here. Don't force anything, because things are gonna come easily to you, so you don't have to force anything, you don't have to control anything, okay? That's a message coming through here. Whenever you're working, don't force anything. If it is oh my god, if it is not coming, just stop there, relax, at least take a 15 minutes break, and then come back. It will be very easy, okay? So if you are an artist, if you're writing a book, whatever it is. So let's see what are the angel messages. This is the last message from the spirit. Let's see. Okay, we have this one. Group number 1. Surrender. Look, we were talking about that, like surrendering, not controlling anything, letting go, you know, because you will be easily attracting things. When you surrender, you will easily attract things. Expectations, surrender your expectations, give it to the divine. Don't try to control anything, don't try to control anyone, don't try to control yourself, you know. As I am saying that, you know, it's just because surrender your expectations. When the time is right, a new path will appear. As I said, you are going towards the unknown, right? So don't try to know everything right now, because things are hidden right now. So just go, follow it, and doors are going to open, opportunities will come, the new path will show up. Don't overthink about anything. Just, it's the time of surrendering. Let go of the past, be in the present moment. So this is the main advice for you guys, and you're meant to have, I'm like sure you're meant to have a good, happy life. So don't paint your life with the beautiful colors that you like, not with the colors that you don't like, okay? That is what I'm getting here. Okay, so bye bye, take care guys. Hello group number 2. If you chose this great haunt all, then this is your reading. With this spirit, I feel like that spirit is saying that you have a connection with them, okay? Definitely pile 2 has a connection with them. For some of you, you can hear them like a gentle whisper, okay? I feel like that. So whenever you hear something, believe in it, because it's the divine guidance you're getting. So don't you know, sometimes we don't trust it. So it's time to trust your inner guidance. I'm getting here, okay? With this spirit is saying that they are communicating with you, they are protecting you, they are with you, but you need to trust them. Yeah, that is what I'm getting. You have a divine connection. Maybe for some of you, you can hear things, okay? Clairaudience I'm getting here. For some of you have a gift of clairaudience, but you are not trusting it. So spirit is saying just trust it, because they are listening to your prayers, okay? Yeah, And you, whenever you pray, you will know, that is what I'm getting. You have the sense of knowing, okay? You will get your answers. It's inside you. The answers are inside you. That is what also I'm getting here, okay? So trust yourself, trust your intuition here. With this I'm getting for pile number 2. Maybe because of you, maybe you think too much, whether I should trust it or not. So don't do that, okay? Trust your inner guidance. Trust, maybe while you're meditating you might hear something, so trust it. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. So spirit is saying to trust it. Trust. Okay, so a lot of cards popped out. Let's see what is spirit wants you to know. What is the guidance, advice from spirit for group number 2? Okay. Pure speech. Okay. Happiness comes when your words are pure, bringing about kindness and benefit to yourself and others. So when you are talking to yourself, how is your speech? Okay, it's important. So divine is saying, spirit wants you to know that whenever you talk to yourself, talk gently to yourself, nurture yourself. How is your speech when you talk to yourself? Don't shame yourself. Don't think ill about yourself, because that's very important. You need to talk yourself very in a very pure way. So whenever you're talking to yourself, it's important you use positive words, okay? Okay, group number 2, I'm getting that maybe some of you don't talk nicely to yourself. You talk nicely to other people, you talk in a kind way to other people, but when it comes to yourself, some of you have problem doing that. Oh, I'm not that good enough, I'm not good, why my nose looks like that? You need to accept that, because acceptance is very important. Accept the way you are and love yourself. Self love is very important. So spirit wants you to know that it's time to love yourself. Let go of that expectations of other people. Sometimes people put a lot of expectations on us. Our parents put a lot of expectations, but you're not meant to fulfill that. You're meant to fulfill your own expectations. What is your own expectation, right? Because of other people we think that, oh, we are not good enough. No, you're good enough the way you are. Spirit wants you to know that you're good enough the way you are. Love yourself, embrace yourself, and when you do that, talk to that is what I'm getting. Talk to yourself in a nice way. And for some of you, definitely, if you're talking ill about other people, it's not the time to do that. Don't do that. Don't gossip about anyone. It's not the time to do that. It's not good. It is just taking away that energy. You need to invest more energy in a good way, right? So don't get into that kind of stuff. Don't talk ill about anyone, don't gossip about anyone, just get out of it. That is also I'm getting. And whenever you're talking to someone, if you're getting rude, stop it, okay? If you're angry, don't just get out from that situation and take a break, and then think and then talk, okay? Very important here. I'm getting think before talking. That is, spirit wants you to know that, because words are very powerful here. So while you're talking to yourself, maybe you're talking bad about yourself, don't do that. And when you're talking to others also, be you can say your truth in a polite way. You don't have to be harsh. You can just say, this is how I am, this is how I like. You can say your truth, but you don't have to make them feel bad about them and then talk in a rude way. Don't do that, okay? So that is also coming through for you. This is a message from spirit. Don't do that. Speak in a very pure way. So the words you use are like seeds you have chosen to plant in the garden of your heart and the world. You have the power to destroy yourself and poison the world around you, or more importantly, you have the power to plant beautiful flowers. Look, our speech is so important. When you talk to yourself in a very good way, in a very encouraging way, that will give you so much of positivity. And when it's in a negative way, it is not good for yourself or for others also. So you have to do that, okay? If you are not talking good about yourself, it's time to change that, okay? Spirit wants you to know that, because you're connected to them. Don't talk ill about yourself or others, okay? And if you want to convey something, convey it in a very good way, okay? You can convey things in a good way. If you don't want to do something, say, no, I don't want to do this now. But you don't have to be harsh, rude, arrogant, right? So that is coming through here for you guys, okay? So spirit wants you to know, and this is very important. Your speech is very important. Remember that. how you talk to yourself, how you talk to others. If you want to change, make a change in that, just go ahead and make that change. Okay, Spirit wants you to know that. So let's see what else is for group number 2. Oh wow, a year from now, you got a timing. Okay, a year from now. And yes, okay, so if you had a question in your mind, so yes, things are gonna manifest for you. Whatever you're thinking, it's gonna manifest for you, but it will take time. It will take a year from now. Maybe you need to change yourself a lot. Maybe you need to love yourself more. Maybe you need to work. Maybe, you know, when you work, when you transform, that is when manifestation happen. So if you're thinking about anything, if you have a question in particular, then yes, it's gonna happen, it's gonna manifest. Yes, it will manifest, but it is gonna take a time. Yeah, sometimes we feel like a year, oh god, but it will go soon, right? But you have so much, you know, you have to do a lot of work at that time, right? You have to love yourself. You have to shift your perception about things. You have to love yourself. You have to change so many things. So yeah, this time I feel for you, this time is so, you know, it's not a big time. It's not, 1 year is not so long, right? You will manifest, but you need to change yourself. You need to love yourself. That is what I'm getting here. A lot of balance is also coming in 1 year from now. If you are feeling imbalanced right now, balance is gonna come. So yeah, 1 year from now, it's going to be very good for you guys. So something is manifesting, maybe love, maybe career. So yeah, something is manifesting. So this year, I feel you need to work on yourself, work on your speech. If you're in a communication field, you know, I feel you need to let your truth out in a very polite way, you know, or say your truth. Don't be afraid to say your truth. That is also I'm getting here. Be kind to yourself and be kind to other people also. I'm feeling like that. Maybe because of your past, you have become like rude to life or something like that. So be calm and be loving, be kind, be more compassionate. I'm getting here. So yeah, your manifestations are definitely gonna come true, Spirit is saying, but you have to wait. You have to work on yourself. You have to work on self-love. If you're indulging in any gossip or any ill talking, or how you come, you know, maybe you, if you are like commenting bad, you know, in this YouTube and social media, how you're commenting to other people, you know, that is also your energy. When you're putting ill about, if you're typing ill about others, that is also not good. So you need to change a lot of things. For some of you, if you're not doing it, it's not you, it's about your own self-love. So take how it resonates. Okay, so but this is what Spirit has for you, and I'm saying just this is a message I have to convey to you guys. Okay, so let's see what else. If you need to take action, Ripple. Okay, it's time to take your power, guys, but not in an arrogant way. That is what I'm getting here. Don't be arrogant or rude to anyone. Sometimes what happen, in order to sometimes people do that, right? We have to prove ourselves, and we talk in a very harsh way. It's not the way to do that. Spirit is saying that you can make your, you know, you can say your truth, but you can say it nicely also, right? So that is what, in a good way, not in a harsh way, in an arrogant way. Your speech should be very pure. That is what I'm getting. In order to you know, it's like a 5 of Swords energy I'm feeling, you know, when, I don't know, I'm getting that when you are in an argument, in order to win, you say so harsh things, and at the end you will not feel good about it. There is no winning or losing here, because you make sometimes we make people feel ill about them, and we feel that we win, you know, we will win the argument, but in reality we will feel very bad after it. So don't do that. Okay, think before you speak. I have to say that I'm getting that energy, that message very strongly here. Okay, yeah, you're meant to be rebels. You're meant to be in power, but that doesn't mean you have to do it in a rude way. You can do it in a very polite way also, very kind, in a kind way also. You can speak your truth, but that doesn't mean you have to hurt others for that. Okay, don't be in that 5 of Swords energy. That is what I'm getting here. In order to make you know, others believe you, people do that, people in power do that, you know, in order to prove yourself to others, you make other people feel low. Or maybe you are in this world where other people, you know, maybe there are people around you who are like controlling you. You need to let go of that and understand that maybe because of them you are feeling low, or you are thinking that you're not good enough. Just let go of these kind of people, because because it's not you, it's their negativity. Okay, for some of you definitely it can be that also, that there are other people who are like in power and making you do things that you don't want to do. If you don't want to do things, just say no. And if you feel like that this is not good, this is not working for you, if this career is not working for you, if this relationship is toxic, then just you have to take that step back and get out of it. Spirit is saying that also here. Because don't sometimes, we give in too much, because we try to change. When we are in a toxic relation, we try to change ourselves, and when we try to change ourselves, when we feel low, and when we don't talk good to ourselves, this is not working, this is not good for you. Spirit is saying just get out. Yeah, a relation should be equal, where you are getting the love you deserve, right? Where you're giving love, you're receiving love. If it's one-sided, it's not gonna work, right? So remember that, take your power there also. Yeah, suppression. Yeah, for some of you definitely I feel like it's like some, you have suppressed your emotions because of this person. Maybe this person is controlling you. There is a person in your life who's controlling you, who is talking in a very bad way to you, and because of that you are feeling that you're not good enough, and that needs to go. So here Spirit is saying it's time to get out of that. Don't think ill about yourself. If you're the one who is thinking ill about yourself, you're thinking you're not good enough, that's wrong, because this person is putting that into you, and you're suppressing that feeling. You're taking that. You don't have to take that. Okay, you need to love yourself. And Spirit is saying that 1 year from now you'll be free from this. I'm getting this. If you're in a toxic relationship, you will be free from this. You'll be doing good. So you need to take one step towards your freedom. I'm getting that. And just let this person out of your life. You're feeling suffocated, you need to take that stand. You need to change. You are feeling chained right now, so you need to remove that chain and get out of that. I'm feeling like that. It's time to take action. If it's a career, you need to take that. You need to be courageous and think, give that resignation letter or something. I'm feeling like that. It's important you trust your intuition, but in this scenario you're just suppressing your feeling. But this will go when you take that step. You need to be courageous. You need to be more courageous. Divine is giving you answers. So that is what I'm getting. I talked about clairaudience, right? Divine is giving you that answers. Divine is giving you messages. Are you listening to them? Because you're so suppressed, you're so feeling that you're not good enough, you're trying to prove yourself, and it's not working that way. So you need to get out. Divine is giving you the answers. Are you listening to them? That is what I'm getting here, guys. Yeah, going with the flow. So yeah, you need to take action and go with the flow. For some of you, if you're in a codependent relationship, maybe you're thinking how you will pay your bills or something like that. So Divine is saying go with the flow. When you take action, things will manifest for you guys. New opportunities will come when you allow to new opportunities. When you think about overthink, overstress, that is when we block ourselves. I'm feeling that you're blocking yourself. Your vision is like you need to change your vision, the way you see things. That is what I'm getting. You need to flow with like the water, because when you do that, that is when new opportunities will come your way. You will have a way. Divine will give you a way. He's giving you, he's giving you the answers. Are you listening? That is what I'm strongly getting, that are you listening to them? You know it in your heart that you need to leave this job, you need to leave this relationship. Are you doing? Because you are overthinking about your future, you're over stressing, and that is why you're not listening to them, you're not taking action. So here's definitely Spirit wants you to know that it's time to get out of that chain. For some of you, if you're controlling other people, you don't have to control other people. That way you will not get the happiness you deserve. Just go with the flow. Don't try to control anyone. Don't try to control your things. Think good about yourself. Speak nicely to yourself and speak nicely. Don't get engaged in gossip, anything. But here definitely I feel a person who is stuck in a relationship, who is stuck in a career, and they want to go out from it, get out from it. So now it's the time to take that. You have to have that courage in order to take your power and just do it anyways, because when you do it, that is when things will flow. That is when new opportunities will come. Believe in yourself, believe in universe, believe in Spirit. Okay, for some of you, I feel you're feeling so anxious, you're feeling so depressed. Okay, but this is not helping you. When you're caged, it will not give you that happiness. So you're feeling restricted. Okay, so it's important you cut that chain, get out of this. I'm seeing that you're chained, you're feeling chained. Okay, so it's important you get out of it. Yeah, it will take a lot of courage. You need to listen to the divine, because they are sending you messages. I felt like that with this. I feel like they are sending you messages, and yes, everything will be good. You don't have to worry too much. That is what spirit is saying. Listen to your intuition. That is what, listen to your intuition, because spirit is giving you answers. Look, we have the back of the deck guidance. Angels are with you. They're guiding you. Are you listening to them? You need to listen to them. You need to listen to your heart. Okay, what else for group number 2? It's time to be very courageous. I know it's tough, but they're telling to be more courageous. Action. Look, you need to take action. Yes, when you get out of it, that is when things happen for you. When you feel restricted, when you feel in a box, maybe for some of you, you're like in a box, you're not getting out of the box of the fear. You're not showing yourself the person you are. You're not speaking your truth. For some of you, definitely. Maybe for some of you, you believe that you're not good enough because people have made you feel like that. But it's time to let go of that. It's time to take action. Take action to self-care. I'm getting here. Take action to love yourself. To when you don't love yourself, you're not able to give love to others. Also, you become rude. You become you become bitter. That is what I'm getting. So it's time to take action, to get out of this relationship, to this toxic. I'm getting the very toxic vibe here. Something toxic. You need to get out and just take action. Yeah, this is going to take a lot of courage, but divine is giving you answers. That is what I'm getting here. You're getting your answers. Divine is saying to just do it. Your heart knows it. Just trust your heart. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, now is the time to act. Opportunities are here. Move forward with confidence. Your talents will always help you land on the pinnacle. Your quick wit and keen senses will lead you to success. So they are telling you to take action. They are telling you to listen to your intuition and take action, because you're getting a lot of you know what you want to do, but you're not doing it because of your own fear. So it's time to let go of the fear, and when you let go of that fear and move forward with confidence, that is when the miracle is going to happen. Okay, if you're feeling stuck, and if you're like, oh, I don't have a way out, if you're thinking that, how you will get out? So it's time to listen to your heart, because you're getting that whisper, you're getting that answer. And if you're not feeling connected, meditate, guys, meditate. You will get your answers. That is, I'm getting you have a connection with the spirit is giving you answers, but you're not listening to it because you're so stressed, because you're so in your fear, because you're not accepting yourself. You believe other people. Yeah, for some of you, you believe other people that you're not talented. You are talented. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here, guys. But it's time to take action. It's time to claim your freedom. I'm getting here, and everything will be okay 1 year from now. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be difficult, but you will be able to do it. That is what I'm getting. Just go with the flow here. Don't be afraid of the future. Embrace yourself. If this job doesn't work out, you will get a lot of other opportunities. If this relationship doesn't work out, you will get a lot of opportunities. So it's time to be more courageous here, to love yourself. First thing you need to do is to love yourself. And when you love yourself, when you accept yourself the way you are, when you accept your own talents and gifts, that is when you will be that's when you will free yourself from your own fear, from these kind of people, and you will be in your own power. Okay, so that is the advice for group number 2. Let's see what the fairies have to add to this. Okay, practice. Yeah, so for some of you, you know what you want to do. Okay, for some of you, maybe for some of you, I feel you have a talent, and maybe your parents are not allowing you to do it. Okay, I don't know why I'm feeling someone is restricting you in some way, and you're believing them that you're not good enough. You need to practice more. Practice your skill. Don't be afraid to practice. Practice makes perfect, right? So fairies are saying practice your gifts, practice your talents. You have this intuitive abilities. I feel you need to practice that. You need to meditate more. Okay, if you're into this singing, practice that. If you're artist, practice that. because when you practice, you will become perfect, and you will gain more confidence in yourself, right? So for some of you, if you are in a career because you want money, and you have a talent, and you're not focusing on that because you're afraid that your work will not be recognized, it's time to practice. It's time to give your time to that. And when you practice it, that is when things happen. You need to practice. For some of you, you definitely have a talent and you know it, but you're not putting your effort into that because you feel like that it's not good enough. You're already making conclusions about yourself because of other people. And whatever you're doing right now, I feel you're not happy about it. You want to do something else, and because of other people, you're doing something. And your heart knows what you want to do, but you're not trusting yourself. So it's time to trust yourself, okay? It's time to pure speech. And I feel like that you're bitter about life because of this, because you want to do something else, and you're not confident enough to do that. It's time to take a chance. It's time to take a chance. It's time to move according to your heart. That is what I'm getting here, guys. Okay, so let's see what's the last message for angels, from the angels. So just listen to your heart, guys. That is what is coming here. And love yourself. Determination, yeah? Determination, perseverance, and patience will lead to a positive outcome. So yeah. So here, maybe for some of you, this maybe your mind is controlling you. For some of you, it's like your own mind is controlling you. It's not a person. It's not a career. It's only your mind that is controlling. Your mind is saying that you're not good enough. No, you cannot achieve something in one day. You have to work hard for it. You have to embrace self-love. You have to love your own work. You have to be confident about your own work. When you will do that, that is when you will have a positive outcome. When you're overstressing about it, when you're doubting yourself, when you're not speaking properly to yourself, when you are having harsh words about yourself, that you're not good enough. You were saying you're not good enough. How? Why you are saying that to yourself? Don't do that. Don't suppress your feelings. Let it out. Give it to the divine. Or just talk to some people. If you have some person, some friends, speak out. Let that things go. You have a lot of, I feel like the lot of suppressed emotion that needs to go out. You need to cry it out. Let it out. And do what you want. You know what you want. I feel like for some of you have this passion, but you're so afraid that you will be a failure or something. Let it go. That needs to go. Your mentality needs to change. You need to change. Your thinking pattern should change about yourself. You're thinking low about yourself. You need to change that. You need to think big for yourself. And definitely you have to work hard. You cannot things will not happen overnight. You need to work for it. You need to practice it. Are you doing that? If you're doing that, if you're practicing, if you're positive about it, if you're working towards it, if your fear is not controlling you, that is when you will be having a positive outcome. I'm sure you will have a positive outcome, but it's up to you guys. Okay, sometimes we feel that we are chained. No, sometimes it's our own thoughts that is chaining us. That is what your thoughts needs to change. Your speech about yourselves needs to change. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Bye. Take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this all, barn all, then this is your reading. So with this I feel like that the first message I'm getting is do not resist change. Okay, guys, do not resist change. So something unexpected is coming your way. So do not resist it. So maybe it's a new career, maybe it's a new love interest of yours. So don't resist it. Accept it. So that is what I'm getting here. So yes, you need to listen to your inner wisdom here, and you know it. That this thing is going to be right for you or not. So don't resist. Maybe you are very afraid of change. Don't be afraid of change. I'm getting here. Be focused on what you want. Be focused on your be focused what you want in your life, and ignore the things you don't want in your life. But yeah, definitely something unexpected is going to happen. Maybe you're changing your location, maybe you're changing your houses or something like that. So don't resist that, because this is going to give you a lot of happiness in your life. So don't resist change. The only thing that is constant is change. I'm getting that for you guys. Nothing is permanent, guys. Yeah, that is what I have to say for this first message. So let's see what else Spirit has for you. I don't know, I'm feeling one, communicate your thoughts properly to the divine. Give don't be in wishy-washy energy. Sometimes you want this, then you don't want that. Then don't be in that kind of energy. Be that is the thing. Be whenever you're making a desire, stick to it. Okay, don't change constantly your desires. That is also coming through. Okay, so yeah, that is also important. If you're doing something, stick on it. Don't give up too soon. I'm getting that also. For some of you, you start something and if it doesn't work, you just give up very easily. Don't do that. Okay, work on it. I'm getting that also. Things will change if you work on it, if you keep the focus. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Okay, let's see. Patience. I was talking about, right? Don't give up too soon, and we got this patience card, 25 number, 7 number. You need 7 number is also about more learning. You're learning more things in your life. It's all about spirituality also. So it's time to learn. It's time to gain knowledge. It's not the time to give up. Okay, it's not the time to give up. And be patient. Be patient, guys. At the end of the way is freedom. Till then, patience. Yeah. Patience is very important here for you guys. This is what you need to, it is a cultivation card, so definitely you need to cultivate more patience into your life. I feel you're very impatient about things. As I said, you start something and if it doesn't work, you're like very impatient to wait and you just give up. Don't do that. Things take time. That is what, things take time. Good things take time. Patience is a fine, noble quality. It implies that everything is possible in the timelessness of space and being, and a deep knowingness reminds you that nothing can fail you but your own impatience. Yeah, nothing can fail you other than your own impatience, because when we get impatient, we stop doing things because we are not getting the desired result we want. And when we stop things, then how we will see the success, right? So yeah, it's not the time to stop the things. It's time to focus. Don't be impatient in your love life also. Don't be impatient. It's not the time to be impatient. That is what I'm getting here strong. Spirit wants you to know that it's not the time to be impatient. You have to cultivate more patience in your life, and it's necessary. If you want to succeed, patience is necessary. Okay, yeah. So let's see what else for group number. Okay, yeah, wait. Again, we have wait energy here. Patience. You need to wait. You need to wait. You need to work on something. Yeah, look for a sign. So yeah, divine is giving you signs also. They are giving you signs. They are showing you that you are okay, you're doing good, but you need to wait. You need to relax. You need to, maybe you need to learn more things. Maybe you need to learn the lessons of patience. Maybe that is what divine is teaching you right now. So spirit is saying, yes, you need to cultivate more. Maybe you are that kind of people who cannot wait at all. So they are teaching you that lesson. It's time to wait. Wait. I don't know why, but if you are already patient, but I feel you need to wait more. So spirit is saying wait. Everything is going to be okay for you guys. Look for a sign, because spirit is giving you a lot of signs. They are giving you answers, so look for it. Don't be impatient. And interestingly, I don't know, I'm like very look, we have this shine here in the third eye. So yeah, your vision is getting more clearer. So this your third eye, so trust your vision. You're getting your vision. You're getting maybe your clairvoyance, so you're getting the vision. So trust it. Trust your own vision. Trust your dreams. Okay, maybe I'm feeling that you have you don't trust yourself, so it's time to trust yourself. Okay, trust your talents, abilities. Look for a sign. Definitely spirit is giving you sign, so believe in that. And yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Wait. Now is the time to wait. Okay, yeah, get out of this energy here. Oh yeah, that 9 of swords energy I'm getting here. No more stress. Okay, look, listen to your inner voice here. Spirit is saying that you know deep inside your heart, they are giving you guidance. You need to trust that. You need to wait. You need to be more patient. Patience is very important here. For some of you are stressing about it, because that is, if you stress a lot, if you don't sleep properly, that time you're not able to connect with your higher self. So it's important you sleep properly. You don't stress too much about anything. Okay, for some of you, you're not able to sleep at night because you're over stressing. When this will happen, when will this happen, when I'm gonna get, you're so invested in that. Okay, so it's important you invest invest more patience in your life. That is what spirit wants you to know. At this moment, everything will happen correctly. You will be, you know, you need to trust. You need to trust yourself. You need to trust your inner wisdom. You're not trusting your inner wisdom. For many of you, you're seeing the signs, but you're not trusting it. So it's important you trust it. Don't let the impatience you know, take things away from you. I don't know, I'm getting that energy. Things are coming. Be patient and listen to your inner voice. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Don't let this sorrow or this overthinking take things away from you. Okay, because of that, when you overthink things, that might manifest. Maybe for you, for many of you, you are not able to sleep well, and when you're not able to sleep well, you will not be able to think well, right? So it's important you get out of this Nine of Swords energy I'm getting here. If something has you know, if you didn't get something, maybe it was not meant for you. I'm getting that also energy here. So leave it, let it go, and trust your inner vision. Okay, inner voice, trust your inner self. Trust in you, trust in the divine. You need to trust. Things are happening for you. They are working behind the scenes. So wait now, just wait. For some of you, you have this clairvoyance. You are able to see it. You know, your vision is going to be very clear, as I said. Wow, look at this abundance card. We have this King of Pentacles here. So you're meant to be abundant. You're meant to have the wealth. You're meant to have a good life, right? So but you're so impatient. You're so impatient about things. Don't be impatient, guys. That is what I have to say for this. Because with this King of Pentacles, you are, if you're a business person, your business will grow. Everything will be okay. Because King of Pentacles energy is like a very mature energy. And look at this card. This is so colorful card, right? They have everything they want, right? Abundance. Everything is there. The rainbows are there, right? So yeah, good times are gonna come. But don't be in this energy. Let go of that stress, okay, and be patient. Everything is working for you. Nothing is gonna go. I think nothing is gonna waste. If you have worked on something, nothing is gonna go waste. Okay, waste. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, believe in that. Yeah, again we got this inner knowing. Look, inner voice and inner knowing with this goose. You know it. Then why are you stressing? That is what divine. You know that everything is coming together in your life. But impatience is the problem here. I'm getting here. You know, as I said, love might come unexpectedly for you. You know, you will know if this is the person, because your inner knowing is very good. Your intuition, you can trust your intuition, okay? You're a brave traveler. Your soul knows the way. Be confident you will achieve your destination. You're not confident? Because of your lack of you're a patient. That's why you're not confident. Loyal friends are always with you. Don't worry, you're blessed. Let yourself fly. Okay, for some of you, definitely you stress so much. A lot of overthinking here. Okay, maybe you need to let go of it. I feel this pile is like spirit wants you to you know, they are making you learn how to be patient with yourself, with life overall, and to trust yourself. They're making they're making you learn to trust yourself, to trust your inner knowing, to trust the process, not to be so caught up in the destination, instead to enjoy the journey. So they're making you feel, they're making you learn that. But at the end, you will be so abundant, you will be so happy. So don't stress now, guys. So that is the advice from spirit. No more stressing. Wait. They're saying wait, everything is okay, everything is working in your favor. Wait. You're getting the messages also, but you're not trusting it. I'm feeling like that also. They are telling you to trust it. Trust the universe. Trust the spirit. It's time to trust. I feel for many of you, this is the lesson you are learning. To be more patient, to trust the spirit, to trust yourself, to trust in your own capabilities. And when you do that, that is when magic happens. Okay, fairy wings. In the forest, small lights glow. Those are fairies flying low. Oh my God! So you are a fairy. Fairies are surrounded, and with this fairies comes playful energy. You need to be more playful with yourself. Okay, have fun. Go out. If you have friends, I feel you have friends. If you have friends, have fun with them. Why are you in this stress? If you're feeling very stressed, call your friend. Talk to them. Okay. Have fun. Dance. That is what fairies are saying. Okay, let's see what the angels have to add to this. The last message for you guys. Healing angel. Wow. So yeah, you're healing. At this very moment, you are being bathed in gold, pink and deep green light. Accept this healing. Okay, so healing is happening, guys. So yeah, with this colors, you know, gold, green, pink. Green is about abundance, pink is about love, abundance. Everything is coming into your life, right? But you need to accept this healing. You need to accept it, okay, that everything will happen in the divine timing, right? You need to accept that everything is gonna happen for you in your favor. You don't have to stress right now, okay? So that is what I'm feeling here. Stressing will not give you anything here, okay? I'm getting that energy of stress here a lot, okay? So yeah, don't stress, guys, don't stress. And it's the time to accept yourself, embrace yourself, and you are going to be abundant. Love yourself, have fun with your friends, go out, trust your intuition. When you're feeling very, very stressed, call and talk to your friend. Trust your intuition, okay, guys? Yeah, that is all for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.